In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys the top 3 steps that you guys voted for from my 17 Advanced Footwork Steps that I posted about a month ago. Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen. I am AJ47 from Soul Mavericks Crew. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely go and check it out. You can click the white card above here or listed in the description down below. It's fairly recent as well, so it shouldn't be too far back for you to find 17 Advanced Footwork Steps. I tallied the votes, right? This is my B-Boy book and my son has stuck all these amazing little stickers on it. I'm about to reveal to you who came first, second and third. Ready? Drum roll please. In third place, we had Lock and Load. In second place, Keyhole Surgery. And in first place, we had Scary Movie. I'm about to take you through each one of these steps and break them down so you guys can learn them. If you feel like I've missed out a step that you really want, you can either go back and comment on that video or on this video. Probably that one's best because yeah, then you get to know what the name is of the step and the number, etc, etc. If I get enough interaction on it, then I don't mind making some more. But yeah, these are the top 3. This is what you asked for. This is what I promised you. So let's get into it without further ado. Your top 3 footwork steps from the 17 Advanced Footwork Steps that I made before. Yeah, something like that. Lock and loaded. So we're gonna go straight to the front of our footwork because most of it is a 6-step, and at the front, this is where it changes. So you're gonna go out to the front, sit on your bum, place your hands down by your sides, kind of like, not exactly here, but like comfortable here, so you can lift your bum up. Lift your bum up, flex your heels so you don't point your toes, okay? Really important. You're gonna step behind, like so, lift, back, back, behind, lift, back, back. Now, the trick is that keeping your hands down is not what I like to do. I like to kind of change the level a little bit more, even though it doesn't really make too much of a difference. So you want to step behind and shift your weight all the way to here. So now you're kind of going to have the side of your foot down and grab the knee. Okay, it's harder, slower, but if you go step here, boom, boom, step here, boom, boom. Okay, so obviously I go counterclockwise for my footwork, so I'll do one more here. And now I need to go around back into my 6-step. And that's really easy. You're just gonna bring this foot under this leg, behind, into the back position, go round to the front. Go out, under, hit, out, under, hit, back, back, and there you have Lock and Loaded. Keyhole surgery. So this footwork pattern probably requires the most amount of skill, okay, and timing and everything else. So it's probably going to be the most frustrating for you, but it's kind of fresh, so it'll be worth it. And again, like, it won't take you forever if you practice it well and be mindful of the tips that I share with you. So without further ado, let's get into this one. So from here, the first one is going to come from your front sweep. So your front sweep, and you'll go up, catch the foot, and you'll thread, okay? Now the trick is that you have to know how to monkey swing. That's first, okay? You have to know how to monkey swing. Now the idea is that you're gonna monkey swing and swing up, okay, like this. Okay, so really it's kind of like a jump over, jump back, which is this step, okay? Jump over, jump back. You're just gonna make it really big, as big as you can. The bigger you make it, the more time you're gonna have to thread, okay? So you'll go up and you keep an eye on the foot, okay? So you go like this, up, and you grab the foot, but like at the moment I'm just marking, okay? So that's what you'll do the first few times to get used to it. Mark it, okay, like that. Do that a couple times till you get comfortable with it. Grab the foot, grab the toe. Here, it's probably gonna be the easiest thing to do, all right? You're gonna go swing around, up, jump up, thread the foot, you see that? Okay, once you've got that, as soon as you land, you place this knee down straight away. As soon as that knee's down, you step backwards through here. Let go, swing the thread back around to here. Now you're going to be facing the opposite direction, and you repeat the same move from here. Thread, down, back, swing, okay? Keyhole surgery, ladies and gentlemen. So a nice way to start this step off is by, your feet are already down, sitting in position 0. Put your right hand forwards and go counterclockwise obviously. Knees go down, feet go down like this with a twist. And now I'm at the same time, as soon as they get down, I'm flicking up like this, okay? When I land, I'm using this bounce. So here I stop static just because I'm teaching you, but I bounce straight from here. So as soon as I land, I'm bouncing again and I'm turning like this. So now when I rock this way, I'll be to the side and I'll flick over there. Flick, bounce, down, down. Now this back part of the step, just in case it's confusing for you, is a knee rock. So if I was to go from here, it would go toes, knees, switch, and up. That was the old one. And instead here, I'll get to there, flick, okay? Bounce, knees, switch, flick, okay? Really easy. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Like the video if you like it, share it with a friend who you think might benefit. And if you would like to support the channel, there's ways you can do so down below. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. I'm all ears. Question, guys, not really question of the day, but just a question in terms of making. Is there any kind of content that you would like apart from tutorials? Is there anything else that you would like which could be insightful for you related to breaking, related to your progress and things like that? If you do, I have my own ideas, but obviously if I get some feedback and I get some ideas from you, it might spark a new series of videos. I know this video I posted a little earlier today. My last few videos have been quite late at night, so make sure that you scroll back through the channel's videos so you don't miss anything. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. I have been posting videos kind of late recently, UK time, so some of you might not have seen the videos. It's probably not the best optimal time to post, but life gets in the way sometimes, and I just wanted to make sure that it was daily. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Stay fresh, stay clean. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.